Good morning. Today I'm excited to share with you the before and after of our turf installation. Now what you're looking at is the before, and that's about 7-year-old Marathon 2 sod that was dwarf fescue. And you can see it became weed and clover infested, although I did water it quite a bit. And now here is the results. Now I do need to redo some of the landscaping on the edge, so excuse that. But man, it turned out really great. Now this is Tiger Turf Diamond Pro Fescue, and it's in the medium length in the darker color, the olive green. So you can see it's just a night and day difference. It's beautiful. We're really happy with the results, and we had Tuscany Pavers install it in San Diego. So really excited on how excellent it turned out. No complaints at all. All right, let's get a closer look at it. So you can see it's been designed to look like real grass. It has a W-shaped pattern, and it's a really thick turf designed for moderate to heavy use. Now the drainage is not an issue. You can see it will drain out about 30 inches of water per hour. Now in addition, what I like about this is that it has something they call Tiger Cool technology, and that basically means it's a cooler running turf. So they use UV inhibitors and different pigments that are lead free, and so it runs about 10 degrees cooler than other brands of turf. Now I was laying out here in the afternoon sun. It was definitely warm, but it was not uncomfortable at all. It was rather quite enjoyable. So you can see just how much a little turf can change the look of your yard. And in this case, it's going to save us some water and make this part of the yard much more usable. So I really am happy with the results. Now let me talk to you a little bit about how they did this, the steps involved. So first you can see that they cut and removed the existing grass and dug it out a bit. And then they capped and removed the irrigation. Next, they replaced that removed dirt with Class 2 base, and they tamped and compacted that down. And then they applied weed cloth, and for $2 a square foot more or so, we got some padding. So it's much softer, and I really enjoy having it padded. In addition, they added the turf and then sanded it. So you can see turned out great. It's just really soft, and it's nice to not have to wear shoes or deal with dirt, so it's very clean. Now to maintain it, what you're going to do is when you get leaf litter or things like that, you can do a couple things. You can either use a blower. As you can see, I like to use the blower, or you could use a broom too. Works really well. Now, I can't stress enough how happy we are with these results here. If you're wondering what that is a toy structure we had here, and I moved it for filming, and the grass will pop up. You can use a broom to accelerate it, but within a few hours it will just pop up and look normal. So, Tiger Cool technology, and this is again the Tiger Turf Diamond Pro Fescue. Medium length in olive green, and it's just turned out wonderful. Really happy with the results. All right, give us a like and a subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Take care.